Good morning, lounge members and fellow traders throughout the world. This is Master B coming to you live from the lounge with this morning's recap. As we discussed in earlier videos, my time frame is from 9:30 to 12 o'clock, and I waited for an impulse and a correction right at 10 o'clock. On the correction, I go to the left and I look down to see where that thrust began, and I put my fib on. I want to see where is the golden ratio zone so I can have confluence. So I just mark that there. Golden ratio zone. Okay, and I look for entry when she starts to come out of the box. She came out of the box there, looking for the next quarter point. After you get your golden ratio zone, then you can take that off. And I entered when she broke out of this box, put my stop loss at the bottom of that wick, took her up for 2 points, and that was Tuesday's trade. Happy Tuesday, guys. Quick video, morning recap, 2 points, done. Have a great Tuesday.